Alright, 5:30 on Tuesday, and thought this would go a little smoother. I got a whole pallet of concrete and got the forms done. Everything's recycled. Let me turn this around. So I went to work and took a bunch of old rings, rebar rings. I've had them at home for over a year, and I put all the rebar down in the footer.
I think we need a little more pour.
And that's our first pour. These are oak boards that I had harvested off the property and sawmilled. Some of them are warped, so anybody that looks at the footer here, it is what it is. So spliced everything together. Everything's recycled. Using my new air compressor. So mixing up concrete and getting ready to pour this footer. So it's a little smaller than I wanted, but I felt like we would run out of concrete if I made it much bigger. If I need to add on to it, I might do some patio steps or something, little something I buy at Home Depot and put around it, something more decorative. Anyway, going normal job. Few struggles today, but we're getting it. Adios.